In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a discount in Honeybook. Whether you're looking to offer a special promotion or loyalty discount, knowing how to efficiently add this to your invoices can make all the difference in your customer interactions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on. Alternatively, if you're looking to make a more permanent change or set up a template for future use, you can head over to Tools and then click on My Templates. This allows you to edit a master version, which can be a huge time saver if you frequently apply similar discounts across multiple projects. Once you're in the right place, locate the invoice block. This is the section of your file where all the services you're charging for are listed. It's important to be in this section because this is where you'll be adding the discount, ensuring it applies directly to the services you're billing for. Now, let's go ahead and add that discount. Scroll down to the bottom of your line items and you'll see a plus add button. Click on this button to bring up a menu of options. From this menu, select discount. This is where you'll be able to customize your discount according to your needs. Next, it's time to configure the amount. Honeybook gives you the flexibility to choose between a percentage or a fixed dollar amount for your discount. For example, if you're offering a 10% discount to fellow biology students, you would select the percentage option and enter 10%. If instead you're offering a flat $50 off, you would choose the fixed dollar amount and input 50. This flexibility allows you to tailor discounts to different scenarios and client needs. Finally, don't forget to give your discount a name. This might seem like a small detail, but it's actually quite important. Naming your discount helps both you and your clients understand what the discount is for at a glance. It can be something straightforward, like loyalty discount, or more specific, like biology student special. This descriptor will appear on the invoice, providing clarity and professionalism to your billing process. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add a discount in Honeybook. By following these steps, you not only enhance the value you're offering to your clients, but also streamline your own workflow, making the billing process smooth and efficient. Remember, taking a few extra minutes to set up these details can significantly improve your client interactions and ensure a hassle-free billing experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of Honeybook's features. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we covered today.